I designed and laser cut a custom workshop sign, and the result turned out better than I expected. Welcome to Creative Custom Arts, where traditional craftsmanship meets modern making. The first step is designing the sign so that the laser cutter knows exactly what to engrave and cut. I'm using a sheet of plywood that engraves beautifully and cuts cleanly. The laser follows the digital design exactly, engraving the details and cutting the shape with incredible precision. Once the cutting is done, a quick clean reveals the engraved detail. A light finish helps the grain pop and protects the wood. A simple design, but a great addition to the workshop. If you enjoy creative projects like this, consider subscribing. There's a lot more coming from this workshop.